Rossi made the beat.
Hey dolls, so I am back. So this is going to be a video on this headband wig. So this wig is from Unice Hair. So this is the box, like this. And this wig, I don't see the info. I don't see the info inside of the box, so let me just pull it up for you real quick. This wig that I have is a 1B/412 ombre honey straight headband wig, and this wig was completely straight, but it was layered. So I was gonna keep it straight, but then when I saw that it was layered, I was like, this would be really cute with some curls. So I did put some one curls in it. And what is the length on this hair? Let's see. I believe this wig is a 22 inch. I will put it down below if I'm incorrect or anything, but it'll be down below as well. So I just wanted to show you what all you get in the box. So they have this little bag and it says Unice on it, and you have a lot of free goodies, which we love free stuff. So on the inside, you get some wig caps. I didn't use these, but I did put a wig cap on the back of my hair or whatever. And then also in here you get this, which I believe is one of those bands that you can like wrap down your hair with at night to wrap your edges down. Yes, that is what it is. It's like a silk wrap, and it says Unice on it, and this one is black. So I will add that to my collection. And then they also sent some nail wraps, and this is how they look. It looks like a brown and silverish kind of color, if y'all can see. So they sent those, and then they also sent some lashes, and these lashes look cute. So let's see, these are the lashes. So yeah, that's the stuff that I got inside. And then of course I did get headbands, which you will see in the video, this one as well as some others. So yeah, if you want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. I didn't show y'all me curling the hair, but I'll show you the one I used and stuff, and it's just really easy. So yeah, stay tuned. Okay, dolls, so here is how the wig looks. I did put some curls in it. It did come completely straight, but I did decide to put some curls in her because she was already layered. I was going to keep her straight, but since she was layered, I was like, I think she'll be cute with some curls. So I just did some one curls in the hair off camera. I already did my baby hairs and laid my hair down and everything. So it's going to be a really easy process with installing the wig. Okay, so this is how my hair is looking. So to lay down my baby hairs, I did use this edge control. This is the Edge Fixer by Kiss, and this is the one that Sweetie did with them. So I have the watermelon one, and I just laid down my baby hairs. I hope that y'all can see fine because I feel like the lighting from behind me from the window is battling with the camera. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and take her off of the mannequin and pop her on. I was a little bit iffy about this particular wig with this color because with the headband wig, to me, it's something that kind of looks more natural. So I was thinking like if it's colored, like that doesn't match my hair. But then they did have the colored one with the darker roots. So I was like, all right, whatever, I'll try it out. The wig is constructed. You have this headband that's sewn onto the wig, and then you would bring it around to the back of your head, and it is Velcro, so it will stay like that. And then you also do have some combs on this wig. So you have two combs on the side and then a large one in the center. And then you also have another comb at the back of the neck. And then you do have adjustable straps as well. So you do have a lot of security in this wig as it is already. And I just have my hair in two ponytails, like how I wear my hair under my lace wigs and stuff. And I kind of just pushed my hair back in the center because my hair had already been like this for over a week or so now. So I was able to make it look like it's just like in one ponytail or something. But I do prefer the two ponytails because it's a lot flatter in the back. So let's pop her on. Okay, and I don't know how this is gonna look because I haven't tried one that has colored hair. Not like this anyway, like a straight one. So let's see. Okay, so I have my strap velcroed, and then of course you want to slide this back because I like to be able to see everything a little bit. And sometimes I will bring it back even further. So I'm just gonna kind of, let's see. So yeah, I'm just gonna kind of run my fingers through to comb the curls out because I didn't do that already. And I don't know if y'all could tell that the hair is layered, and that's why I was like, let me just go ahead and put some curls in it because it was layered and straight. And I just feel like it would look better with some curls. And it's sliding back because I didn't put the combs in, but it's still secure with just the headband, especially once you put a headband on top. But you know, I'm being a little rough. But if somebody really just snatched it, of course it would come off unless I put the combs in. And like if you braid your hair underneath, that will really hold your combs in place. But yeah, I like this color. It's working for me. I was thinking that this color at the top was giving me a little bit black vibes while I was curling it, but it looks like it blends in with my hair just fine. I do like how the color looks and everything, and the hair is straight. With my hair, I did not flat iron it or anything for this wig. I just left my hair how it was and kind of slicked it back, and it still worked out fine. I already did my edges and my sideburns and stuff. So inside of the box, they did send several different headbands. So I got this one that is blue and white. It gives me like a nautical vibe. I also got this one that matches actually with what I have on. So it's like a pinky mauve color, a green, blue, and white. And then I also got this one that is red, white, and blue. And then I got this one that is pink and white and navy. This one also matches me with what I have on now. And then I got this one that I really like because it kind of looks like a Dior print. And this one is like a regular headband, which is really easy. So I'll just pop this one on first and show you. So this is how it looks. Like, that is so cute. Headband wigs are like the go-to right now, and they're so easy to apply and just be out the door. So yeah, I really like this headband. I think it's cute, and it still goes with my outfit because black and white goes with anything. So yeah, I think it's cute with this. Yeah. Okay, doll, so that's how it looks with this headband. I really like it. It's really cute, and I like these kind because they're easy. You can just put it on and take it off. With the other ones, you know, you have to put it all the way around and stuff like that. So I will just do one more, just one of these to match with my outfit. I think I will do this one. Okay, so just want to put it on, and then you have to pull all of your hair through. Okay, so this is how it looks with this kind of headband. And some people also like to pull theirs up in a ponytail or like a bun or something, but it's not super secure for me. I'd rather just wear it down. But yeah, and I don't really particularly care to do it half up, half down with a headband on. Like, I don't know. I just think it looks better with the no headband if I do like half up, half down. But I do have something in mind that I want to try with a headband wig. Because a lot of companies have been pushing these headband wigs. So yeah, and they're really good for like everything that's going on. Although we're not on lockdown anymore, like this would have been perfect during the lockdown season whenever, you know, we were at home and you still want to look cute. Like, this is real easy, and you could be out the door if you need to go somewhere. So yeah, I really like this one. I think it came out real cute. I like the highlights. I really like how the hair has multiple colors of blonde in it. I don't know if y'all can pick it up on camera, but some of it is more of a white blonde and some is more like a honey blonde, and then you have like some brown pieces, like really pretty. So yeah, I really like this hair. And if you guys have any questions, leave them down below, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye guys.
J. Rossi made the beat.